It's time!
Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing you some holiday hair inspiration featuring the Uncle Funky's Daughters Maximum Thermal Protection line and also my Revere. Keep on watching. So for styling, I am doing a twist and curl on my stretched hair, only using one product, which is Good Hair. We'll leave all the information for all of the products as well as the Revere in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out. I do have a discount code for Uncle Funky's Daughter, which I'll leave on the screen as well as in the description box below. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this style. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.